Discover yourself, who you are, what you can do in your life. Let's ask from brain to think and talk to act accordingly.
We all have heard about OOP programming structure. It is object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is based on 4 components: classes, objects, functions, and properties. Let's explore each component one by one. Start with classes. In object-oriented programming, a class is a template definition of the functions and properties in a particular kind of object. Let's understand the concept of classes with a real-world example. Take an example of a house. Before constructing a house, we always make a blueprint or map of a house. In that blueprint, we define some properties of a house, such as the number of rooms, number of windows, and number of doors. Moreover, we also define some functions of a house in that blueprint, such as the function of the water system, sewage system, and heating system. Keep in mind that this blueprint is not a physical entity, it is just a rough sketch of our house. If we want to build a real physical house, then it refers to the concept of object. An object is a specific instance of a class, it contains real value instead of variables. Now we want to build 2 houses, let's give names to the houses. House 1 has 2 rooms, 3 windows, and 5 doors. Similarly, House 2 has 6 rooms, 5 windows, and 7 doors. Now let us understand how we can code classes and objects in the Python programming language. First, we will create a class, namely house. We can create a class with class keyword. Now we will add some properties such as room, windows, and doors. So, here is our class ready. Now we will make an object. We can create an object by giving it a name like house1. Then add equal sign. Then write the name of the class. In our case it is house. Now we can set the properties by using dot with the object. Like house1.room equals 2. House1.windows equals 3. House1.doors equals 5. So, this is how we can code the classes and objects in Python programming language. I hope you enjoyed it and understand the concept of classes and objects.